I want to talk about these cattle prices. So as I talk to some sale barns throughout the country, you look at some of the weighted averages, records. And that's just, it's not something that I think is like what we hit records, we pulled back a little bit, we've been climbing again. How realistically, or how is there concern that these record high prices are going to hit a top and then it's free fall, or what are some things that you're thinking about in terms of watching these prices hit record highs almost week after week right now?
Yeah, that's a good question, Megan. And honestly, it's kind of got to the point where saying the word record doesn't even do it justice, because we say it so much because they're going up. But, if you compare this back to 2014, 2015, we're sharply higher than those prices were, even the highest prices that we saw then. So when we say record prices now, we're in completely new territory. There's always concern. At some point, this market will find a top. But at the same time, we were kind of saying this through 2023, 2024, as these prices started to climb. This fear, or not fear, but this expectation, hey, one of these days this is going to drop. We've been talking about that for 2 years now, almost. But I think what we're really seeing is these underlying fundamentals playing out. We were talking about it through most of 2024. We had really strong prices. We had record prices last year, but it still didn't lead to the heifer retention. It didn't lead to the herd expansion that high prices are really signaling. And to me, Megan, that was kind of telling us, hey, these prices are not yet high enough to really spur along that expansion. And so I think we're starting to see that. I think, I was really scared to say that last year that, hey, these things are going to have to go higher, but I think they had to. And I think we're seeing that now. But it's across the board, Megan. It's not just feeder cattle prices. Cull cow prices are incredible right now. And so we're really, really seeing some strong prices for cattle of any class, any weight.